In this video we're going to talk about setting the machine on high or low gear. I made a video where when I was setting this up I put the drive belt on and thought I had it in low gear. I didn't, and we'll take a look at it and I'll explain to you my mistake, and we'll just go over this for clarification, because somebody did send me an email and said I thought you got it in high gear. Alright, here you have the motor end. There's your drive belt. There's your pulley on the end of the spindle. What I did is I set this down on, this is called the motor pulley. I put it on the big diameter on the motor pulley and the small diameter up here on the top pulley. That's high gear, and then you use your belt tensioner. I thought it was low gear. I got it backwards, and we'll prove it out here in a second. Go over, and we'll also see if the machine runs what it says it was advertised. Forward, start. Okay, 100 consent, 40 RPM. Let's see. Alright, so we know that's high gear. We got it up to 2,000 RPM, so it does what it, as it's specified. But if I'll ever run anything at that RPM, I have no idea. I doubt it. But the machine does it, and that's high gear. So let's change it to low gear and see what it does. Okay, it's tough to get a good camera angle, but basically what we do is you go to your little belt tensioner, loosen this up, get that to where it moves, and then basically we swap it over to where we have on the motor pulley, we put it on the small diameter pulley, and on the spindle shaft pulley up there, the top pulley, we put it on the large pulley, and then retension our belt. Just about draws up on this, so I think that's right. Alright, let's see what we got. Get a better look. As you see, I moved it from that large diameter to the small diameter to the large diameter up here. Got the belt tension down. Now we should be in low gear, which I forget low gear is supposed to top out at, I think, 1,000. So let's see the difference. Forward, start. Okay, we're doing about 60. You get a minimum of 30 here. A low one, 30, 40. Yep, about 1,000 RPM. Let's shake that. That's about what I got to run it at. Get me a vibration again. Okay, that's your low gear. So now we got that straightened out. Know the difference. I hope that answers some questions and get it right myself.